Dear students, in this video, we are going to learn the applications of quadratic equation. Quadratic equations are very useful to solve several examples in our daily life. We'll frame the quadratic equation into the single variable. By using any method of quadratic equation, we'll solve the quadratic equation and we'll find the value of the unknown variable. Hence, we'll solve the examples of practice set 2.6 from the chapter quadratic equations. First example, product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. So, we'll assume one unknown variable x. So, let present age of Pragati be x year. Age of Pragati is not given, the relationship is given. So now here product of Pragati's age 2 years ago. 2 years ago, therefore 2 years ago Pragati age will be age is equal to present age is x. So 2 years ago her age will be x minus 2 years and 3 years hence, 3 years after, 3 years hence Pragati's age will be x plus 3 years. Now, as per given condition, the condition is given that product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence. Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence, that is x minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 84. Now we'll solve this. So we multiply the brackets which are on left hand side. So x into x multiplied by x plus 3 minus 2 into x plus 3. Here first term of first bracket into second bracket and second term again multiply the second bracket. So which is equal to 84. So simplify x into x, x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. This 84 will take on left hand side. So minus 84 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 3 plus 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1x minus 6 minus 84 is minus 90 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation in one variable. Now, to solve this quadratic equation, factors of third term, such factors of third term so that middle term will be 1. So, third term is minus 90, factors of minus 90, such factors so that the middle term should come 1. So, 90 means 10 into 9, 10 9 is 90 and 10 minus 9 is minus 1 and 10 into minus 9 is minus 90. So, these are the right factors. So, therefore, split the middle term plus 1, that is 10x plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. Now make the groups of two terms. Therefore, take common. X is the common here. So x plus 10 in one bracket. 9 1s are 9, 9 10s are 90. So minus 9 bracket x plus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, in first bracket x plus 10 and second bracket x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 9. Now, but x is equal to minus 10, that age won't be negative. Age is not negative, therefore, this is not acceptable, therefore x is equal to 9. So answer, age of Pragati, present age of Pragati is, present age of Pragati is 9 years. Second example, the sum of squares of two consecutive even natural number is 244. Find the numbers. So let the two consecutive even natural numbers be x and x plus 2 respectively. Even natural number, first is x, the difference between the even number is 2, so second is x plus 2 respectively. Now as per given condition, sum of squares of two consecutive number, sum and squares of that. So we have to make square, x square plus x plus 1 bracket x plus 2 bracket square is equal to 244. This is the condition given. Sum of the squares of two natural number is, even natural number is 244. Now solve this. First simplify the bracket, x square plus, expand this a plus b bracket square, so x square plus 2 into x into 2, that is 2 2s are 4x plus 2 square is 4 is equal to 244. Therefore, x square plus x square is 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 244 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x square plus 4x minus 240 is equal to 0. Divide equation by 2. Divide equation throughout by, divide by 2. So we'll get here. Therefore 2 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 120. So we'll get as x square, equation x square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation in one variable. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. So factors of third term, that is minus 120, such factors, so that the difference between those two factors is 2. So here 12 times are 120. So minus here 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. So 12 into minus 10 is minus 120 and 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. So split the middle term. So factors are 12 and minus 10. X square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 is equal to 0. Now group the two terms and take common. Here common between these two terms is x is common. So in the bracket x plus 12, then minus 10, 10 1s are 10 12s are 120. So minus 10 common, x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now x plus 12 is common. So take the bracket x plus 12 outside and in the bracket x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 12 or x is equal to 10. So, here, but natural number is not negative. It cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to 10, and this is first number, and x plus 2 which is equal to 10 plus 2 which is equal to 12. Therefore, answer. Therefore, the two even natural numbers are 10 and 12. These are the two consecutive even natural numbers. Third example. In the orange garden of Mr. Madhusudan, there are 150 orange trees. The number of trees in each row is 5, more than in each column. Find the number of trees in each row and each column with the help of following flowchart. So, your flowchart is given. The number of trees in column B, X. Then you have to find number of trees in the row. Second step. Third step, total number of trees. Then you have to frame the quadratic equation. Find the value of the variable x, and then we find finally the number of trees in column and number of trees in the row. So let us assume here, we have assumed here, let the number of trees in the column be x, which is variable, unknown variable, which we have to find. Now here the number of trees in the row, relationship between rows and column is given. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than number of trees in the column. So column is x, so rows is x plus 5. So third step, so total number of trees in the garden is product of number of trees in row into number of trees in the column, that is x into x plus 5. Now, as per given condition, the fourth step, you have to frame the quadratic equation. So, as per given condition, total number of trees in the garden are 150. So, this product x into x plus 5 is equal to 150. Therefore, x square plus 5x minus 150 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation which we have to solve a fourth step by factorization method. So, here factors of minus 150, such factors of minus 150, so that the middle term should come as 5. So 15 tens are 150, 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. So factors are 15 and minus 10. So split the middle term, therefore x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equal to 0. Make the group of two terms and take common. Here common is, in the first two terms common is x is common, so x plus 15 in the first bracket minus 10 common here, 10 into 15 is 150, so x plus 15 is equal to 0. So in the first bracket x plus 15 and in second bracket x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 15 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 15 or x is equal to 10. Now, here number of rows won't be my negative. So, here my x is equal to minus 15 is not acceptable. Therefore, x is equal to 10. Therefore, our number of, we have found x, that is x is equal to 10. Then total number of trees in column is x. Therefore, total number of trees in total number of trees in one column in column is equal to x is equal to 10, and total number of trees in each row, that is here each column one row, and each row and each column, that is x plus 5, which is equal to 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15 trees in one row. Fourth example, Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of the reciprocal of their ages is 1 upon 6. Find their present age. So, let present age of Kishore be x years. Therefore, Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. So, therefore, present age of Vivek is, he is older, means he is x plus 5 years. 5 years older, so x plus 5. Now, as per given condition, sum of the reciprocal of the ages is 1 upon 6. So, reciprocal of age of Kishore is x is 1 upon x plus x plus 5, reciprocal is 1 upon x plus 5. Sum is equal to 1 upon 6. Now, we have to simplify this equation. Cross multiply, left hand side cross multiply. Therefore, 1 into x plus 5 is x plus 5, and 1 into x is x divided by x into x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Therefore, here x plus x, 2x plus 5 upon x into x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Now, do the cross multiplication here, 6 into, therefore, 6 into 2x plus 5 is equal to 1 into x into x plus 5. Now, simplify this equation. So, 6 2s are 12x plus 6 5s are 30 is equal to x into x square plus 5 into x 5x. Now, take all these terms on right hand side, so that x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 12 plus 5 is equal to minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation in one variable. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. So factors of minus 30, such factors so that middle term should come minus 7. So factors of minus 30, 10 3s are 30. So minus 10 plus 3 is equal to minus 7. These are the factors minus 10 and minus 3. So split the middle term. You have to split minus 7 into two parts, x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now take the common here from two terms, group the two terms, and x is common here, x minus 10 plus 3 1s are 3, 3 10s are 30. So 3 is common, x minus 10 in the bracket is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 10 in one bracket and x plus 3 in second bracket is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 10 is equal to 0, or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 10, or x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3, but age cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to 10. Value of x is 10. That is, the present age of Kishore is x. So, answer, present age of Kishore is equal to x, which is 10 years, and present age of Vivek is equal to x plus, it is x plus 5, which is equal to 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15 years. Fifth example, Suresh scored 10 marks more in second test than that in the first test. 5 times the score of second test is same as the square of the score in the first test. Find the score in the first test. So let us assume the score. Let the score of Suresh in first test be x. Therefore, the score in the second test is 10 more, that is x plus 10. So as per given condition, condition is given that 5 times the square of second test. So 5 into score of the second test is x plus 10 is equal to, is same as the square of the score in the first test. First test square is x, so it is x square. Therefore, simplify, 5x plus 5 times the 50 is equal to x square. Therefore, we'll get the equation as, therefore, x square minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. So, factors of minus 50, so that middle term should come minus 5. So, 10, 5 are 50, minus 10 plus 5 are the factors. Therefore, x square minus 10x plus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Take common from both the terms. Therefore, x is common here, x minus 10 plus 5 is common, in bracket x minus 5 times the 50 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 10 in one bracket x plus 5 in second bracket is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 10 is equal to 0, or x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 10, or x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5. So, but score cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to 10. So, answer. So, score of Suresh in first test is equal to x is 10, and second test is x plus 10, which is equal to 10 plus 10, which is equal to 20.